example on how to learn the different stress and where you can find the stress in every syllable.
Hello everyone, I'm Weldor Picasinas. I will give you an example of first syllable stress and how to pronounce the word with stress. First, hopeless. Second, active. Third, business. Fourth, English. Fifth, accuracy. Sixth, basketball. Seven, history. Eight, Bible. Nine, practice. 10, accident.
Hi, I'm Jason Joel Di Gomez. I'll give some example of second syllable stress. First, performance. Second, impossible. Third, comfortable. Fourth, acknowledge. Fifth, technology. Sixth, consider. Seventh, suggestion. Eighth, collection. Ninth, position. And 10th, December.
Hi, I'm Michelangelo. I'll give some examples of third syllable stress. First, alphabetic. Second, universal. Third, opportunity. Fourth, university. Fifth, corporation. Sixth, presentation. Seventh, education. Eighth, dictionary. Ninth, observation. 10th, information.
Hi, I'm Franklin Basa. I'll give you some examples of fourth syllable stress. First, communication. Second, characteristic. Third, vocabulary. Fourth, organization. Fifth, administration. Sixth, configuration. Seven, consideration. Eight, examination. Nine, nationalism. 10, responsibility.
Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm here to give you example of fifth syllable stress. Number 1, electrification. Number 2, experimentation. Number 3, insubordination. Number 4, individualistic. Number 5, extraordinary. Number 6, tarantary. Number 7, participatory. Number 8, personification. Number 9, rehabilitation. Number 10, discriminatory.